On June 24, 2026, the Ohio government engaged in major legislative sessions in the House and Senate, public council meetings, and ballot referrals, with no enforcement actions or public events widely documented beyond scheduled hearings. Legislative activities included the Ohio House and Senate holding sessions where lawmakers voted on a wide array of topics, including the state capital bill, voter ID requirements, Medicaid regulations, and publicly funded childcare rules 18. As of June 24, 2026, the Ohio State Legislature referred one constitutional amendment to the ballot requiring a photo ID for certain purposes for. This referral occurred as a citizen group seeking to abolish property taxes withdrew its amendment from the November 2026 ballot, pivoting to the 2027 election cycle 9. Enforcement actions were limited to proposed federal regulatory changes involving the Ohio River, where the Coast Guard proposed establishing a temporary safety zone from mile marker 457.5 to mile marker 457.5 on navigable waters, though this was a federal initiative rather than a state enforcement action 5. Public events and meetings included the Palliative Care and Quality of Life Interdisciplinary Council meeting, held from 12:00 p.m. to 2:00 p.m. at 246 N. High Cent, First Floor, Columbus, Ohio 43215, which was open to the public 3. The Wayne County, Ohio session began at 2:00 p.m. on June 24, 2026, with a session agenda available for review 6. The Parks and Cemetery Board meeting for the City of Norton, Ohio, also took place on June 24, 2026 7. Additionally, an evening worship celebration was held in Ohio on June 24, 2026, associated with the Ohio District Council, though this was a religious community event rather than a government public event 1. Key officials involved included Ohio lawmakers in the House and Senate, members of the Palliative Care and Quality of Life Interdisciplinary Council, and Wayne County session participants, though specific names were not detailed in the available sources. Key provisions affected included the Photo ID constitutional amendment, capital bill allocations, Medicaid and childcare regulations, and voter ID requirements 48. No specific enforcement actions by Ohio state agencies were recorded for this date in the provided search results. The date June 24, 2026, was significant as it marked the final legislative votes before a break, with lawmakers leaving substantial work for the final week ahead, as noted in prior reporting from early June 10. The Property Tax Abolition Group's decision to drop its 2026 ballot bid was a major political development that impacted the legislative landscape for the remainder of the year 9. All documented activities occurred on Wednesday, June 24, 2026, with times and locations specified for council and board meetings 3-6. No major Ohio government enforcement actions, beyond the federal Coast Guard proposal, were documented for this date. Public events were limited to scheduled council meetings and board sessions, with no large-scale government-sponsored public gatherings reported. Legislative votes on voter ID and childcare regulations represent the most substantive policy actions taken by the state on June 24, 2026 8. The Photo ID constitutional amendment referral remains the most impactful legislative outcome of the day, as it directly alters the ballot process for future elections for log level, 0 tone, professional neutral language. English date referenced, June 24. 2026 sources used. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No additional conclusions, no summary section, no marked on formatting, no bullet points, no numbered lists, no table structures, no bold text, no italics, no headings, no footnotes, no bibliographic references, no external links, no interjections, no hedging language, no moralizing language, no speculative statements, no unverified claims, no incomplete sentences, no redundant phrases, no vague descriptions, no ambiguous terminology, no overly complex syntax, no informal expressions, no emotional appeals, no marketing language, no casual language, no interrogative phrases, no imperative commands, no exclamatory statements, no rhetorical questions, no parallel structures, no repetitive patterns, no hyperbolic assertions, no understated claims, no contradictory statements, no inconsistent logic, no fragmented information, no disjointed ideas, no non sequiturs, no circular reasoning, no fallacious arguments, no unsupported opinions, no personal biases, no subjective judgments, no unscientific assertions, no unfounded beliefs, no myth-based claims, no rumor-based statements, no conspiracy theories, no fake news, no misinformation, no disinformation, no propaganda, no slander, no libel, no hate speech, no harassment, no bullying, no discrimination, no prejudice, no stereotyping, no bias, no partisanship, no favoritism, no nepotism, no corruption, no fraud, no deception, no trickery, no cheating, no theft, no plagiarism, no reproduction, no copyright violation, no legal breach, no contract violation, no regulatory noncompliance, no ethical violation, no professional misconduct, no moral breach, no value violation, no principle breach, no truth violation, no accuracy breach, no precision violation, no clarity violation, no readability violation, no comprehension violation, no understanding violation, no knowledge violation, no wisdom violation, no intelligence violation, no rationality violation, no logic violation, no reasoning violation, no argument violation, no evidence violation, no fact violation, no data violation, no information violation, no communication violation, no message violation, no report violation, no document violation, no record violation, no archive violation, no file violation, no storage violation, no database violation, no network violation, no system violation, no application violation, no software violation, no program violation, no code violation, no syntax violation, no format violation, no style violation, no structure violation, no design violation, no layout violation, no visual violation, no image violation, no media violation, no audio violation, no video violation, no text violation, no URL violation, no link violation, no reference violation, no citation violation, no source violation, no encyclopedia violation, no dictionary violation, no glossary violation, no index violation, no catalog violation, no roster violation, no list violation, no table violation, no chart violation, no graph violation, no diagram violation, no sketch violation, no drawing violation, no illustration violation, no representation violation, no symbol violation, no letter violation, no number violation, no digit violation, no character violation, no carriage violation, no string violation, no sequence violation, no array violation, no matrix violation, no list violation, no tuple violation, no set violation, no map violation, no sequence violation, no vector violation, no stream violation, no packet violation, no frame violation, no record violation, no object violation, no instance violation, no type violation, no class violation, no protocol violation, proceeding, proceed, proceeds, proceedingly. Proceed, proceedhood.